recipes, I'm Alyssia if you're new, and I'd like to welcome you to this channel. One of my favorite things about this community, and one of the most important things to me with this channel, is that we want everyone to feel welcome here. This is a safe space where we encourage people to learn about different lifestyles and find what works for them, because everyone's different. But I know that so many of you love when we share vegan recipes. I personally love experimenting with vegan cooking and baking, and I'm not even vegan. To celebrate this community, we have compiled a brand new recipe ebook with over 100 vegan recipes. Say what? I'm not kidding, and today I am sharing a breakfast, lunch, and dinner from it. Stay tuned for a discount code at the end. We're making eggs for breakfast. Excuse me? It's a tofu scramble. Combine nutritional yeast, turmeric for color, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pep in a bowl. Set aside. In a saucepan over medium heat, add a bit of oil with some diced shallot and garlic. Cook a few minutes and then crumble some firm tofu into the pan, breaking it up. Add the seasonings to a bit of vegetable broth. Mix to combine and then pour the mixture into the tofu and coat completely, cooking a few minutes until the tofu is heated through, uniform in color, and the broth has reduced. Wow! Not only does this actually eerily resemble eggs looking at it, it's got a tasty, savory, and even cheesy flavor too. Plus, you're getting in that protein. If you want more vegan recipe videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. For lunch, we're making a sweet potato black bean quesadilla. First, I saute up some onions in oil until softened, and then I can add some zucchini and cook for a few minutes. We've got to get those veggies in. Next, I add the black beans and toss to integrate before removing from the heat. I transfer that mixture to a bowl with some mashed sweet potato and then add nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and salt to season. Spread the mixture onto a tortilla evenly and top it off with another one. Heat a skillet with a bit of oil or sprayed and then add your quesadilla. Cook through on each side. I like to spray before flipping to make sure it doesn't stick, and enjoy. Man, sweet potato and black beans go so well together. We get savory and sweet, and we get some nice varying textures with the soft filling and crispy tortilla. This one is sure to satisfy. For dinner, not much is better than pasta. Am I right? No, but really, am I? I mean, thumbs up if you like pasta. For dinner, we've got a butternut squash and sage pasta. Add oil to a pan with onion and garlic. Once softened, add your cubed butternut squash. Season with salt and pep and cook for a few minutes. Once it's a bit tender, add the sage and broth, bring to a boil, and then reduce to a simmer. Cook for about 20 minutes until super soft. In the meantime, get your pasta of choice cooked. Once the butternut mixture is slightly cooled, add it to a blender with some almond milk, blend into a delicious and creamy sauce. Grab your spoon and eat this as a soup, it's that freaking delicious, or add it to your cooked pasta and toss to coat. Holy moly! I mean, it's hard to go wrong with pasta, but there is nothing worse than feeling like you have to compromise with vegan food. This, my friends, is not a compromise. Vegan or not, it's delicious. Sweet, savory, satisfying, creamy, and frankly, hard to quit eating. It's like a reminder of the holidays that's perfect for any time of year. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. These are in my new ebook with over 100 vegan recipes. You can use the code TOFU for 10% off any ebook or package of your choice this week only at mindovermunch.com/ebooks. Also, I've had a lot of you emailing and commenting asking me when we are opening up the Meal Prep Ignite course again. Well, not yet, but it may be coming soon. If you don't know what it is, you can check out one of these videos linked in the description, but the exciting news is we are doing a sponsorship campaign where we are giving away 2 courses for free. Details on how to enter are in the description box below. You only have 1 week to enter, so be sure to check it out soon and put your name and email on the list at mealprepignite.com so you can be notified when enrollment does open. But here is your chance to submit to get it for free. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you next week. And remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.